Hey there, Jeffrey here, Sephora Beauty Director.
And Myiesha, also a beauty director.
And the holidays are here. I'm so excited.
I love the holidays. I love just getting together with friends and family. I am a big proponent of cooking a huge meal, probably bigger than I should. I invite Jeffrey over, my grandma, my best friend, everybody, and we have a big meal. And I stress myself out every single year. And I feel like you have to take that time to sort of revive yourself, relax.
Right. So these are going to be our holiday essentials that you might invest in to take care of you during this holiday season. Think of it kind of like your self-care moment. So in this video, we're going to offer you maybe some quick fixes. Like, say for instance, you forgot that you have a holiday party that you have to go to and you need to add something really quick. Or some ways to kind of de-stress, like you mentioned before. It can be a stressful time for a lot of people. Or even some ways to just kind of repair any damage that you might face just from, being out in the elements a lot more. It gets kind of cold in some places, so this is going to be ways to kind of take care of your skin and really focus on you for this holiday video.
So we'll get started. So quick fix number one, what do you have?
So first up is one of my must-haves for kind of a quick fix situation. If your skin is feeling lackluster or dull or you need some radiance and hydration, from Summer Fridays we have the Jet Lag Mask. Now this particular product fits perfectly into the quick fix category because you can use it in a lot of different ways. Like, it's really great for maybe you had too much to drink the night before and your skin needs a little love, you're feeling kind of dull.
Happens to me like once a year.
Yeah. Or like maybe you're getting on a plane and you know that you're gonna be exposed to that cabin air and you want some deep hydration. Or maybe you just feel like you want a little glow before your party.
Or just traveling to the West Coast. We live in a desert, so I feel like if you're visiting California, Southern California, you're going to a desert, check the humidity levels. You might want to check a mask.
Yes, for sure.
So our next quick fix solution is by Amika, and this is the PERK Up Dry Shampoo. So I used to use dry shampoo a lot more when I had straighter hair, but I do find it's very nice to use in my hair when I put too much product in it that's too emollient. This has a very translucent spray to it. It's not white at all, so you can see that it's not going to leave any residue on your hair. If you have darker hair, it does smell very good. It has Seabuck Thornberry oil in it, so that's in all of Amika's products. It's also in a lot of mascaras. It's very hydrating to the skin. It smells really nice too. So if you feel like you just don't have time to shampoo your hair, which totally happens, if you feel like on the plane your hair gets really gross, I feel like I've never really landed somewhere and my hair or skin has looked the way I want it to look.
Right.
So they do sell this in minis. You can keep one with you on the plane, kind of zhuzh up your hair before you even get your bags, something like that, just to kind of give you a nice little quick fix.
So the last product in our quick fix category is going to be a party pick-me-up. So this is from Becca, and it's the Chill and Glow Setting Powder and Lip Duo. Now, I know that a lot of you are oftentimes like in a busy lifestyle and you forget that you have events that come up last minute. I know I've forgotten that I've had parties to go to,
That's kind of your thing. You always forget where you're going.
Yeah, I always forget where I'm going. So, if I get that text last minute, I'm like, oh my gosh, I have somewhere to go, somewhere to be, and I look a mess. So this is a really great kind of thing to toss in your bag to give yourself a little bit of life. So in the set, you're gonna get this Liptuitive Glow Gloss, which is kind of questionable in a tube. You look at it and you're like, oh my gosh, that blue color, like what's it gonna look? But it actually is really cool. It uses your pH and body temperature to find the perfect shade of pink.
It's like closer to the actual little like doe foot.
Right. So when you swipe it on the lip, it also has a really great cooling sensation. So again, it's kind of like that refresh moment between, the office and your office party. So you're also going to get the Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder, which honestly feels like...
I've talked about it before in videos. It feels like a very minty sort of hydration mist. It feels wet. It's really, really cool. You have to feel it.
Yeah, it's really great. I love it in my under eye area because it kind of hydrates at the same time that it sets. So it sort of feels really cooling and refreshing under my eye. So if I'm, if I want to touch up my concealer or something, I carry this with me just to kind of dust on afterwards and kind of set it and give it that nice glow and skin-like radiance, which I love. So this is a really great set to kind of keep in your office drawer if you have that emergency after work party that you want to go and look fab for.
Or if you just get a little hot in the face sometimes. It feels really, really good.
I love it, yes. Now, this next category of products are going to be all about chilling out and finding that de-stress moment, right? Like, everybody's busy during the holidays, you're running around, and again, you're putting a lot of energy into everybody else. So these two products are really about stepping back back, finding your Zen moment and giving yourself some chill time, which I love. So I know a lot of you travel a lot during the holiday season, and oftentimes you can kind of miss home. Like you get homesick, even though you're going to go visit family, you know, you miss the comforts of your own surroundings, the place that you build for yourself. So a great way to connect with home is to bring a travel candle. You can light one at your home and one at your destination home, which is really great to remind you of kind of like where you came from. So this is from VOLUSPA, and this is the MACARON Candle Trio set. This is really great to carry with you because they're mini, they come in like a really durable glass, and I love that this product is exclusive to Sephora,
And
which is really cool.
Combinations too. So if you want to get multiple, I think there's 3 at least of different combinations so you can mix and match.
So you're not set with this trio. You can try different ones, which is nice. These are stunning to look at. I mean, like, honestly, like, truly, I think a lot of people are going to give this as a gift, but I'm definitely getting this for myself because, you know, like, I really feel like these are really great to carry with you no matter where you go.
This one is the GOJI orange, and it smells incredible.
Yeah, this one is GILT, POMANDER, and HINOKI, and this gold tin is absolutely stunning. I'm obsessed with
It's
it.
also nice to travel because it has this sort of like rubbery,
Rubber.
protective thing on it. So when you put the case on, it's not gonna fall apart. And I would say like recommend keeping the box because when I travel with candles, I like to have the box and kind of stuff some
protective.
like paper in there so they don't break or anything like that. But
Yeah.
these are so good. They're coconut wax, so even the coconut part of it smells really good and like light
Right.
and airy.
Yeah, and you know, again, it's such just a luxurious feeling, sort of lighting your candle, getting your space ready for getting yourself ready for an event or something like that. I always like to light a candle when I start getting myself going for a night out on the town or something like that,
Yeah.
just to kind of set my mind.
Next up is kind of like our latest obsession. I feel like when the whole wellness category came about, we were just like, oh, this is new, this is interesting.
Yeah,
And now
Internal beauty, what's that?
all 3 beauty directors are just so deep into Lord Jones and how much we love it. So this is the Lord Jones Royal Oil. This is 1,000 milligrams pure CBD oil. So what I like about this is it's super pure. It only has 2 ingredients, CBD oil and grapeseed oil. And what I like about this too is Lord Jones is really good about measuring out how many milligrams you're going to get. So there's no guesswork. So they always label everything. 1 dropper of this is 40 milligrams of CBD and half a dropper is 20 milligrams. You can put it on your skin, of course. They have the balm, they have the body oil, they have the bath salts even. Really, really nice. It just gives you like a moment to yourself. Maybe you have some inflammation and maybe you went to like, I don't know, somewhere super cold and it's like, what cold to me is 60 degrees because I live in Los Angeles. I'm like, what's cold? Whatever, many degrees. And you feel like your cheeks are inflamed and red. You can put that on. It's like an adaptogen, so it's gonna do different things for different people. I feel like it's a perfect thing to travel with. It's TSA friendly. You can put it in your bag and just kind of you're having a moment. You
Legit,
yeah.
like it's for the moments. Okay, so this last category is really about repair. Like, you know, your skin kind of goes through it, your hair goes through it, your body just goes through it during the holidays because, again, you're like stressed out, running around, doing all kinds of stuff. You know, you forget to actually
take care of yourself.
Yeah, to take care of yourself. So these are kind of those mini moments for you to like step back, do a mask. Maybe it's a mask you wouldn't necessarily think of for sure, but it's a great one to have. So first up from Bite Beauty, we have the All Agave 3-piece lip care set. Now this is amazing because it's gonna have all of my personal faves.
True.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
Everybody loves it, but it is a boy staple, I feel,
Yes,
for
I'm
sure.
obsessed. So inside the cute little box, you're gonna get, this is the daytime lip balm, like in the mini size, which is great. I love to gift this to my clients. Like whenever I'm on set, you know I love my clients because I'm always giving them stuff for sure. But
True.
I keep this mini one on set for me because it's, it's tiny, it's cute. Then you're also gonna get the Agave Plus Night Lip Therapy, which is awesome. So this is kind of like your overnight remedy for super chapped lips. Like this is great for like before a party, like if you know that you're gonna do
Or if you're gonna
a red
wear
lip.
liquid lipstick of any kind, yeah.
Good for liquid lipstick for sure. And then you have the mask. Now the mask has been an obsession of mine for quite some time. It's actually one of my Sephora 6s. So if you haven't checked out that video, be sure to catch it. But I use this a lot. I actually keep this as my lip balm because my lips are so dry all the time. And I'm obsessed with the texture. It tastes amazing. And it just keeps my lips hydrated all day long. Like seriously.
You stay ready, you don't have to get ready.
True.
Those are questions you guys ask about lipstick and dry lips.
For sure. So I definitely think that this is one to grab, to kind of keep yourself nice and fresh during the holiday season.
Okay, so our last one for this video and on the repair front is a favorite of mine, but it got a little recent update. If you were at Sephora, like if you were exclusive at Sephora, you got a sneak peek of this. So this is from Briogeo. So this is the Don't Despair Repair Honey Moisture Deep Conditioning Mask. So this is like the original mask, but they added in this limited edition of honey, which is so nice. It smells good. It's in this cute little teddy bear, and it just has this like, I use this every single week. I use the original every week, and I recently switched to this one because I just couldn't resist getting this at Sephora. And it's just something really cute. I feel like Jeffrey makes fun of me because when he comes over, I'm like, please leave by 9 o'clock. And I'm like, if I have a mask in my hair, it's time for you to leave. I'm done for the day. So this is something you can do after the festivities.
Commence self-care.
I deep condition on the go. You can put this in your hair when you're on the go, even going to the airport. Just put your hair in a slick bun. It'll just look like you have hair gel in your hair, but you're actually deep conditioning on the go.
And you're gonna smell amazing. Like people are gonna be stalking you for the way your hair
You're gonna smell great. This is really good to replenish your hair, strengthen your hair. It has algae extract in it, so that strengthening ingredient to it. But I guys ask me like what I do to my hair. I literally just wash my hair and put this in. That's
and
like,
the moment
all
on
I
this
do.
packaging, like I can't
It's
even
cute.
like if you do this in your shower or like sitting on your bureau, you're gonna want to use it because it's just so cute to look at. And the honey vibes for holiday are definitely thick. Like I'm feeling it everywhere. That golden yellow color is dripping everywhere. I love it. So honey for sure.
So don't forget about your hair, especially if you're traveling to a cold climate. Curly hair is very susceptible to damage in cold weather. So think about repair. So in conclusion, think about yourself. Replenish yourself. The holidays should be a time when you're sort of, spending time with your friends and family, but you want to go back to work that next day or go back to school feeling really replenished and refreshed. When your grandma's complaining about your pozole not having enough salt in it, then you think of yourself and you self-care. You take care of yourself during those holidays.
I love it. So if you have any other self-care secrets that you'd love to share with everyone, be sure to drop them in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? You're missing out on quality content just like this.
We can't wait to hear your holiday stories, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.